Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2023 Subaru Forester. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on the induction system on this car. And the only tool that you're going to need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and anyone can do this job. So as you can see, I've already popped the bonnet, and if you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Once you've done that, put your hand in just below the Subaru badge, and we're going to push that lever there to the left, and then we get this bonnet stay and we pop it up into that hole there, and that makes it nice and secure. So if you look, here is the main engine block, and off of that is actually our induction system that comes all the way around into the airbox with the cold air feed here, and then just along here on the clean side of the filter we actually have our mass airflow sensor, and it has an arrow which is showing you the airflow. First thing we're going to do is just remove the electrical connection. Just comes off by pushing in that tab, and then you can remove these 2 screws, making sure you don't drop it like I did. Like I say, nice and simple to do, and then you can just pull that straight out, and you can actually see the design of the sensor and how the air flows through it. Now try not to touch the end here and get it too dirty, because obviously that can affect the way it works. And if you're replacing it or cleaning it, or you've got a new one, do the same thing. And when we put it back in, just making sure we're not going to damage any part of the sensor. So just to replace it, just slide it straight in, lining up the 2 screw holes, put in your screws, and then do them back up. Now these don't need to be too tight because it is just plastic on plastic. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace your mass airflow sensor using just a number 2 Phillips screwdriver on a 2023 Subaru Forester. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.